Baby girl, do you see that? Do you see that?
She's a
Hey beauties, it's your favorite Caribbean cutie and I am back with another video today. Of course, if you click this video, you obviously want to see how to accomplish this natural everyday beat. I am here to give it to you, honey. So hope you stay tuned and you watch this video. Before we do get into this makeup tutorial, I want to shout out the Chic Women for sponsoring me this jewelry. This jewelry is very high quality. It has weight to it. It's not very lightweight or very cheap feeling. It's giving top quality jewelry. And if you are interested in this jewelry, I have a code. My code is Zazel, Z-A-Z-E-L, for 25% off. Or you could click the link in my Instagram bio and it would automatically attach to your order. I am currently wearing the tennis chain in 16-inch, and this is the icy cross necklace, which is a bit longer. Got the two of them because I wanted this layered look, you know, like how those female rappers be doing out in this day and age. You don't have to be doing all that. I just wanted this specific look. Usually I am a gold girl, but this was giving what I needed to give. So again, code Zazel for 25% off. So if you want to see this makeup look, stay tuned, my loves. Don't forget, if you like this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and share it. So I'm going in with the MAC eyebrow styler in the color Spiked, and I'm just brushing my brows in the natural direction it grows. So up and across, up and across. And now I'm going to outline the natural shape of my brows on both the bottom and at the top.
that's good.
Now I'm going in with a lighter brown pencil, and this is the Sculpting Brow Pencil by Miss A, and I'm just going to lightly fill in my brows, not too much. And now I'm just buffing it out, buffing everything that I outlined, I filled in, just so everything looks seamless and look like a natural brow. I'm now cleaning up the top of my brows with a concealer that's somewhat close to my complexion, and this is by LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Toast. So now I'm basing my lids with the Pro Longwear concealer in the color NC45, and then I'm going to evenly pack it in with a sponge. And then I'm going to go in with my Studio Fix Powder Foundation in the color NC50 with the same sponge. I rub it in like this, coat it real nice, looks like this, and then I pack it on my entire lid. You could use a brush if you want, but I feel like this gets the job done a lot quicker.
Now I'm going to do a thin line using the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in jet black. If you are more advanced and would like to do a wing eyeliner, you could totally do that, but for the sake of this natural everyday beat, we are going to just do a thin layer of eyeliner. Now I'm just lining my waterline with any black pencil eyeliner, and I'm also going to tightline a little bit. Then I'm just going to prep my natural eyelashes for the false eyelashes by putting on a thin layer of mascara.
Do a thin coat on the lash line. Quick tip, take a handheld mirror, look down, hold your lash in the center of it like this. You're looking down and you are going to place it right in the center. And then you're going to take the ends and connect and press in. And boom. Oh, these are huge lashes. I hope y'all don't mind. Who is she? Who is she? MAC recently came out with the Studio Fix Mattifying 12-hour Shine Control. I am not super oily, so I would only use this in like the T-zone areas, but if you are super oily, this is what you need. I can't not prime my face. You would definitely see the difference. Plus, it's very important to have on a primer between your skin and the foundation. You don't want to put anything directly like on your face unless it's skincare. I am going in with my favorite foundation by MAC, which is the Pro Long Wear Waterproof Foundation, and I am in NC50. I'm pretty discolored. My skin ain't like butter yet, so I like to put a generous amount so I get the coverage that I want. And then I'm going to go in with a damp sponge. My favorite is by Eco Tools. I'm going to go in with the Pro Long Wear Concealer in NC45, the same one that I use on the bottom of my brows. And I am going to blend it out. Look at me transforming, guys, like right before your eyes. It's like magic.
Going in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer by NYX, I'm going to put that on my cheekbones and forehead, and I'm going to blend that out.
I think why I like this concealer is because they have like a red undertone in it. I am an NC, meaning I have more yellow in me, but I don't like to be an NC all across my entire face. Like, I need some warmth up in here. I don't want to just be yellow. I ain't a banana.
Now I'm setting everywhere I put the highlight with the Maybelline Fit Me finishing powder in light medium.
Make sure you get right up underneath your eye because that's where the creasing is and you don't want that. And that's what the powder prevents. For my contour, I use a shade out of the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Embarrassing. I hit pan. Like, so I'm going to go on my cheeks. Baby girl, do you see that? Do you see that? Don't talk to me. My face is contoured. I live for contour. I just love a bronzy look. Don't worry about how ashy and scary the powder may make me look right now. It's all going to come together. Who's that girl? Na, 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 na. And I start from right in here. So right under the tip of my brow, it's gonna give my nose like a slender, exotic type of finish. I am going to go in now with this MAC blush called Love Thing. It's a mineralized blush. I got this in my gratis, which I mentioned in my previous video. So please go and check that out so you could see all the free products that I got just working for MAC. And I'm going to go in with just a fluffy, kind of flattish brush. Swirl that in there. A little bit goes a long way. Tap off the excess. And I like to go upwards. I don't just keep the blush right here on my cheekbone. I go up. I just feel like it gives my face like a lifted look. I definitely went too harsh on the contour, but we gonna make it work. This step is like a non-negotiable for me. Like I always do it. I have to do it because I feel like it just transforms the look.
I'm just using a light shimmery color, and I'm going to focus that only on the inner corners of my eye.
I like to be a little extra, and everything right here looks like just one to me. So I cut my contour just a little bit just so you could see the difference between my contour and like my face right here.
I just dip my sponge in the same setting powder for this step.
Who's that girl? Who is she? Brush it away. But it's still, look at that. Child, don't tell me nothing. Don't tell me anything. If you're gonna talk to me, have some respect. And we have a cut face. So at this point, if you just want a little bit of extra oomph to your face, you can totally go in with a color eyeshadow on the bottom lid if you want. If you don't, that is totally fine. I am going to go in with the same contour color on my bottom lid just to bring in the color a little bit more, make my eyes look a little bit more bold. And this is just gonna create like a smoked out kind of look. You see the difference? And you're still not even doing the most. Like you still look polished and nice without doing the most.
Now I'm just using the In Extreme Dimension mascara by MAC on my bottom lashes. I'm now going in with the Iridescent Loose Powder in Golden Bronze by MAC.
Lastly, we are going to do our lips. I'm going in with a MAC lip pencil in the color Chestnut. It's very beautiful on our skin tone. And notice that I'm using the pencil more like this than this because I want to kind of ombre it out. I'm almost basing my lips with this color because I want more brown than I want any other color. Smudge that together a little bit, and then we are going to go in with one of MAC's most popular colors, which I also mentioned in my previous video. Please go check that video out. And this is in the shade Velvet Teddy. I'm just going to put Velvet Teddy right in the center. I'm going to focus her in the center of my lips. Look how pretty she is. It's chocolate girl friendly. I love this combination with Chestnut pencil. She's gorgeous. If you want, you could add some gloss over these lips. I am more of a matte lip kind of girl, especially it's more mask friendly. It's not gonna come off as easy, but if you want, you could totally add some gloss to it. I don't want to. This is the finished product, and I'm going to set my face with the MAC Fix Plus Prep and Prime Spray. And that's the last of our makeup look. Yes. I am feeling myself. This is the end of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it to your girlfriend that wants to get into makeup, wants to know how to beat her face, give her face a nice natural everyday beat. Share it on your social platform. If you like it, leave a comment, give me some encouragement. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.